What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to do something absolutely insane. I'm going to show you 5 side hustles that real people are using right now to make up to $500 a day. $500 a day? And the best part? These aren't some old recycled ideas. We're talking about cutting-edge strategies for 2025 that you can start with almost $0. I've spent the last week digging deep, talking to experts, and finding the most insane opportunities that are exploding right now. You are not going to believe what's possible. This video is packed with value. By the end of it, your mind will be blown. We're going to break down each side hustle step by step, showing you exactly how to start. Alright, first up, we have something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but I promise you, it is 100% real and people are making bank with it. We're talking about freelance AI prompt engineering. I know it sounds complicated, but stick with me. It's basically like being a translator for artificial intelligence. You know, all those crazy AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, that can write articles, create insane art? They're only as smart as the person telling them what to do. And that's where you come in. Businesses, big and small, are desperate for people who can write the perfect prompts to get exact results. Think about it. A marketing company needs 1,000 different ad slogans. Instead of hiring a team, they hire you to create a master prompt that generates all 1,000 instantly. They save a ton of money, and you get paid a ridiculous amount for your unique skill. It's a massive win-win. So, how do you even start? It's easier than you think. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to be creative and willing to experiment. Start by playing around with free AI tools. Spend a few hours a day trying specific tasks. Try to write a poem in the style of Shakespeare. Create an image of a cyberpunk dog riding a skateboard on Mars. Generate a business plan for a cat cafe. The more you experiment, the better you understand how AI thinks. Okay, for our second side hustle, we're tapping into something everyone loves: custom merch. But we're doing it in the smartest, most 2025 way possible. Forget buying thousands of t-shirts and storing them in your garage. We're talking about e-commerce automation with print on demand. Build an online store that basically runs itself and makes you money while you sleep. This is literally passive income once you set it up. Create cool designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases. Partner with a print-on-demand company like Printify, Printful. Connect them to an online store on Shopify or Etsy. When a customer buys, the order is sent automatically. They print it, pack it, ship it. You never have to touch inventory. You don't pay until the customer pays. This means there is literally zero financial risk to get started. Your job: make designs and market the store. The rest is automated. Find a passionate niche: hobbies, inside jokes, pets, popular memes, local pride. Example, fishing shirts. I'd rather be fishing. Weekend hooker. Born to fish, forced to work. Alright, let's move on to side hustle number 3. This one is for all the strategists out there: remote digital marketing consulting. Every single small business in America, your local pizza place, the dentist down the street, most of them have absolutely no idea what they're doing, overwhelmed, confused, desperate for help. That's where you become their superhero. You don't need a fancy office, you don't need a big team. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a solid understanding of how to get attention online. In 2025, tools are changing so fast: new AI-powered marketing platforms, new social media features, new advertising algorithms. You can guide them through this digital jungle and help them actually get more customers. So, what services can you offer? Social media management, email marketing, Facebook, or Google Ads, for example. Build a following for a local restaurant or newsletters, for a boutique that drive weekly sales, or ads that bring leads to a contractor or real estate agent. The key is, don't try to be an expert in everything. Pick one area and go deep. This next one is for all the entertainers, comedians, teachers, storytellers. If you have a personality and a smartphone, you can do this. Short-form video content creation, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Not just dancing teenagers anymore. These are monetization machines. Opportunity to make serious money in 2025 is huge. The game has completely changed. Now a 15-second video can go viral overnight. Platforms are competing for creators, paying through funds, ad sharing, features. Your attention is the product. They're paying top dollar. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What are you an expert in? New word daily. Quick cooking tutorials, movie reviews, parenting moments, financial tips. You don't need fancy equipment. Your smartphone is enough. Good lighting by a window and clear audio. People forgive shaky video, not bad sound. Hook in the first 3 seconds. Deliver quickly. Add a clear call to action. Platforms pay by views. Brand deals can pay $500, $1,000, even $10,000. Affiliate marketing. Viewers click your link, you earn on purchases. A few hundred from funds, 2K deal a month, plus $50 day affiliate, it adds up fast. Consistency wins. Post daily, do the work, and the upside is unlimited. Okay, we've made it to the 5th and final side hustle. Pure intellectual gold. It's for anyone with deep knowledge about a topic. Subscription-based newsletters. Substack, Beehive, Ghost. Forget needing a massive website or a publishing deal. If you can write, you can build recurring revenue from your audience. Pick a niche you know well. The more niche, the better. Offer free content to build audience, then premium behind a monthly paywall. People want curated, high-quality info. They're tired of low-quality scrolling. Your newsletter becomes their go-to. You save time and deliver value, they'll pay. Getting started is unbelievably simple. The work, make content, and find first subscribers. Tell everyone. Post on social. Share in communities. Reddit, Facebook groups. The key, consistency and value, weekly or daily. Charge $10 a month, 1,500 paying subs, not $15,000 monthly, growth compounds, and it fuels consulting, speaking, and more. And that is a wrap. 5 absolutely insane side hustles that could genuinely make you $500 a day or more in 2025. You can start any of these with little to no money. The real investment is time and creativity. If you got value, destroy that like button for the algorithm. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. Comment which side hustle you're most excited to try. I promised a bonus for those who stayed. Check the pinned comment for what might be the easiest side hustle of all. It's my gift to you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next video.